and subscribe for more massage therapy guides and tips.
Welcome back to Dr. Relaxology. I'm Dr. George Wilson. And today's masterclass focuses on a highly effective inner thigh massage using a massage device to release deep muscle tension and improve circulation. Start by applying the device gently along the inner thigh, moving upward in slow, steady motions. Avoid placing pressure directly on sensitive areas. Instead, focus on the muscles that often tighten from long sitting hours or heavy leg workouts. Keep your angle soft and movement controlled. The vibration helps increase blood flow, reduce stiffness, and enhance flexibility in the groin and thigh region. Now, move slightly toward the upper thigh and continue massaging for a few more moments. You should begin to feel warmth and relaxation spreading through the muscles. Perform this massage for about 3 to 5 minutes per leg for the best results. Thank you for joining me in this Dr. Relaxology Masterclass. Stay tuned for more guided recovery sessions with me, Dr. George Wilson.